Whirlpool refrigerator model WRT316SFDB repairs. Whirlpool 29-inch freestanding top freezer refrigerator with 16 cubic feet total capacity, 3 glass shelves, 4.03 cubic feet freezer capacity, right hinge with reversible doors, crisper drawer. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling.